The mining industry over many years has had applications where they're all bolt-in liners.
The disadvantage of traditional studded wear panel systems, it's the time to actually change them. You have to scaffold the outside and you need a lot of labour. We combine this unique magnet technology with our expertise in bonding rubber, ceramics and other materials to come up with a much stronger magnet than was previously available. The advantage with magnets is you can install and remove a Magnefast wear panel in less than 20 seconds.
Time saving within the mines and any chute package can be anywhere up to 70% savings.
And we would typically use half the labour that's required for a studded system.
An additional benefit is that there's a dramatic reduction in OHS risk because we have very simple tools, basically a rubber mallet and a pry bar. There is no hot work required, no working at height outside the fixed plant. And the final advantage is we've been able to increase the service life of wear liners anywhere from 2 times to 10 times by selecting the optimum wear liner material for each application. The technology behind Magnefast is what we call focused magnet technology. This is where we take a standard high-strength magnet that has a holding force of 15 to 20 kilos in all directions, and through some innovative technology we focus the force in one direction, meaning that a magnet the size of a 50-cent piece has between 60 and 70 kilos of holding force. The magnets, when they are positioned with the backside against the steel, are very easy to slide, and then when the magnet's turned over onto the focused side, they are almost impossible to move.
As an example, a 300 by 300 Magnefast panel with 9 magnets and a holding force in excess of 500 kilograms can be installed and removed in less than 20 seconds.
You can handle these manually and there's no danger of pinching your fingers. When we look at the Magnefast wear panel system, we consider what we call the 4 pillars of wear panel performance. These are material selection, the design of the piece of equipment and the way the material flows through the equipment, the installation of the wear panels, and then the material quality. We need all 4 of these factors to be aligned to get the best performance. So let's have a look at a couple of installations and the results that have been achieved. The first one was a very large quarry handling aggregate. We were asked to look at a swing wall mounted on a train loadout 20 metres above the ground. The traditional panels being used were studded, which required a 12-hour crane hire. These studded panels needed replacing every 10 months. The site wanted to increase the service life so that they didn't have to pull this swing wall down as often. They also wanted to reduce the amount of labour required for doing this work. We were able, with the Magnefast system, to reduce the shutdown time from 12 hours to an hour and a half. We were able to eliminate the crane hire. These liners have been installed now for 40 months. Based on the wear to date, we estimate that it'll be 60 months before a full liner replacement is required. The next installation we'll look at was first implemented in 2019 at a large iron ore export port in Port Hedland. Here we used Magnefast ceramic liners to replace the existing studded steel liners. We were able to reduce the shutdown time from 38 hours to 8 hours, and we were able to increase the service life from 10 months to more than 4 years. These liners are still in service today.
If you're a maintenance reliability engineer or somebody that's involved in operating conveyors, fixed plants subject to wear and abrasion, you can reach out to Elastotec. We will happily visit your site, look at what you're doing currently, talk to you about what you've done in the past, what you would like to improve, and come back to you with an obligation-free recommendation.